Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Discord because canceling requires your account settings. First, log in on desktop or web. Mobile can work, but menus differ. Click your avatar at bottom left, then open the user settings gear. This takes you to account controls. Once in settings, navigate to billing or subscriptions so you can confirm which Nitro plan is active and when it renews. Make sure your payment method and renewal date are visible. That way you know exactly what will stop and when. Now you dig into the subscription itself. In billing or subscriptions, find Nitro or Nitro Classic and click Manage Subscription or the three-dot menu. This reveals plan specifics and the date of the next charge. Once you select Cancel or Cancel Renewal, Discord shows prompts explaining what features you'll lose and when. Read those prompts, they matter. If Discord asks to confirm, confirm. You are stopping future charges, but your active benefits often remain until the current paid period ends. Finish by confirming the cancellation and watching for a confirmation email or on-screen notice. This proves the action succeeded. Once done, make sure to check the subscriptions page again. It should show no active Nitro renewals. If you see another charge or cancellation didn't register, gather your order ID and billing email, then contact Discord support with those details. Finally, remove saved payment methods under Payment Methods to avoid accidental renewals. This is a simple.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.